Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2011 Honda Shadow 750 Phantom. We'll take a walk around this super clean cruiser and then we'll fire it up so you can hear it run. This bike is in excellent condition, shows no signs of ever being down. Everything is super clean with a high gloss paint and matte black highlights. As you can see, the seat is in excellent condition, no rips, no tears. The tank is clean, no dents, no deep scratches. There are a few light scratches in it from wear and tear, but nothing deep and through the paint. Tires are in this bike are in excellent condition. Here's a shot of the front. Plenty of life left in it. Good rubber yet. And again, here's another shot of the tank from this side. You can see super clean. It's kind of hard to see in the video, but there are a few minor light scuffs. And again, this side, no rips and tears in the seat. Exhaust is nice and clean. And again, the tail section showing no signs of ever being dropped or laid down. Here's a shot at the back tire, a lot of life left in that too. Plenty of riding to go. And as you can see, this bike is shaft drive. This bike has 3,947 miles on it. Purrs like a kitten. This bike will go through our 24-point pre-sale inspection and also comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty. And purchasing this bike from us gets you a discount, lifetime discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.